I got 3 email marketing tips that you guys can use, plus a bonus one. So make sure that you stay until the end. 3 email marketing tips that you can start applying right now to increase your sales. Number 1, you got to send more. Send more. Now, Thomas just talked about that. He just stole that tip from me. But the more you're going to send, the more you're going to be able to be omnipresent. Guys, like, hey, do you like, how many emails do you have unread, unopened in your inbox right now? Check it out. If it's not in 1,000, like, you're a liar. So guys, hey, if you send 2-3 mails a day, that's not bad. That's not bad. The thing is that you should always be sending more until you see a huge spike into unsubscribing, and then maybe you reduce a bit or you change the way you do those emails. The thing is, the more you're going to be able to send emails, the more results you're going to see. And that's exactly the same thing with online marketing and, you know, content production, posting content on social media. Oh, my content is not working. Yeah, if you post one Instagram post a week or one Instagram post in a month, of course, we're not going to see tremendous results. So the thing is, you got to really focus on that quantity. Quantity is extremely important when you talk about email marketing. Next thing that you should do is that you should, second, build a relationship. That's the most important thing. Now, I know we in the audience, we may have some hardcore sales guys that are like, oh, we need to sell, sell, sell. And that's the only thing we should focus on. And I'm with you. I'm with you, your sales guy, and your direct marketers that are focused on conversions. I'm with you. And I understand that you may be pissed off about the fact that this is something that's important to you. But the problem is that if you do not focus on building a relationship, yes, you may be so good that you can get a quick sale efficiently. The problem is that you're not going to have that customer that's going to come back again and again and again to buy your product. You're going to have a quick sale, but not a relationship that you will be able to build, a true fan that will follow you around and buy all your products. And that's extremely important because that helps you to focus more on the fact that, hey guys, I don't have to outreach to focus on getting another customers, because the one I just bought, instead of buying just $100 with me, he buys 1,000, 5,000, you know. That's why you got to build that relationship, because if you do not build that relationship, you won't be able to get that continuity and increase that value you will get per customers. That's extremely important. Third tips for email marketing success. Don't send promo emails only. Yes, you should sell your product. Again, sorry for your sales guys. Yes, you should sell your promo emails. Yes, you should always be trying to sell something. But the thing is, you got to make sure that you build that relationship. That goes directly with what I just talked about. If you do not build that relationship up, you will not be able to get sales from the same person until, like, you know, for a long time. You're going to get a quick sale, maybe 2 if you're good, but you're not going to go further than that. And that's a big problem. So make sure that you are building that value and you are showing the people that you truly care about them and giving them value in your emails. That's the best way to do that. Now, bonus one, because I love to give some bonuses to you guys. Bonus one is remove them from your list after 30 days of inactivity. So the fact is that if you do not, like, if you keep trying to email people that are inactive, by inactive, I mean like that are not opening your emails, that are not checking out the link. If they are not active with your list, they are basically dropping the stats, and I would say the kind of ranking that your account is having. And the problem with that is that you're not going to be able to deliver all the emails, and that's going to impact badly your reputation, and you're not going to be able to put all the emails that you send, because some of them don't get through the inbox of the receivers. So that's important that you remove the inactive subscribers. And you can always go back and try to reach out to them again and try to, you know, reactivate them and maybe get them back on your list and engage with you. They're not just ready, but make sure that for the time, if they're not active for 30 days, you drop them out of your list.